Yeah. Y'all know who it is. Neighborhood bad guy. You know, that guy who goes out, makes sure things get pre-ordered, doesn't complain on the internet about getting something. You know, when you want something, you go get it. And so I made sure that I secured the bag. The survey says that some of you are too slow on the internet. Too slow. Hit the checkout. Can't beat a bot. But not your boy Mo. Boy Mike of all trades. Fresh from walking in the door. Straight up. Secures the bag. Oh, you want to see what's in it? You want to see what's in the box? We can do that. Matter of time. Say hello to the bad guy. In all seriousness though, folks, welcome ladies and gentlemen, Mike of all trades, and today, why am I still wearing these stupid glasses? We're inside. We don't wear our sunglasses indoors. That's what douches do. You know what I mean? But yo, we're here. We got the bag. And we are going to unbox the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. So, I went digital because, quite frankly, I didn't have a choice. Funny story, the day after I blew my knee out and I was being stubborn, I didn't go get checked out. So, hold on, just a little bit because my knee moved down. I didn't get my knee checked out. And I went to go reserve my PS5 before I went to the hospital to get checked out. And all they had left in my store, you know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to my store, y'all know who y'all are, was a digital copy, which is okay because I wanted one anyway. So, you've seen a lot of unboxings of the physical. You know what I mean? Well, this is all black, baby. Look at that. Digital. So, you know, 8K, 4K 120, HDR, the 825 Ultra Gigabyte hard drive. You know what I'm saying? The side of the box, you know, the console, it looks sleek, you know what I mean? And then that's the back of the box. Play like never before. Lightning speed. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrites the rules of what a PlayStation console can do. Breathtaking immersion. Discover a deep gaming experience with support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. Stunning games. Marvel at incredible graphics and experience new PS5 features. Play a backlog of supported PS4 digital games with system update. So, in other words, got an external, like I do, for my PS4, it'll go into your PS5. You know what I mean? So yeah, without further ado, yo, let's get into it. Yo, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and yeah, man, comment below. Yo, did you secure the bag? Did you get the PS5? Or are you one of those people that look at me like I'm the bad guy? Say hello. All right, so we're gonna slowly peel the sticker off. You know, the freaking Series X was a lot easier to get, which, yo, see in the back. I didn't do an unboxing because you guys know what's in it, but nobody's seen the digital really. So, oh, this is a flap. All right, cool. It's a flap. It's like a thing. Okay. There's a handle. So, guess we're really securing the bag. God dang it! Bro, I just ripped the box. Oh well. So this isn't like the review units apparently, because the review units, yeah, I don't remember those being like that for the physical or the physical disc edition. Okay, so all right, let's see what's in the chat and Twitter or YouTube, wherever you're watching this right now. You know what I'm saying? If you're not following me on the socials, my links are all below. All right, so fold it open. You know, there it is. So we have this small box first, which isn't really small. Here, we'll get to that in a second. So what's in the small box? There's a tab, you can pull it up, you know what I mean? Alrighty then. Oh, so we have power cord, power cable, you know, standard stuff. It's kind of thick. Yeah, we have a start guide. Okay, we'll put that on top of the Series X. We have the base. Hold on, we'll get to base in a second. HDMI 2.1 for your new TVs and stuff. This is this is what you want to use. You know what I mean? The base. Let's look at the base real quick. So this is what you need to mount your PS5s, whether it be on its side or standing up. You know what I mean? Like, that's what it's for. Okay, so it's actually pretty light. It's pretty light for the base. See, this thing's supposed to turn, right? There it is. Oh, and when you turn it, look, there's the screw. So yeah, screw boys. Ugh. Yeah, and it moves pretty easy. So let me throw this in the bag right now so I don't freaking lose it. You know what I mean? What else is in that top box? Also in the top box is the controller. If you guys didn't see my unboxing video, it's pretty much the same controller. You know, same greatness. You know, but it's fresh. Look, it's without the cat paws. You know what I mean? Some people got mad that I put cat paws on the controller. You know, so without, with. Yo, kitty paws for the win. Actually, I like to think they're like beast fangs or something like that. So that's everything that's in the small box. Let's just put that to the side right there. And yeah, man, without further ado, let's get the big box back. Oh God, it is heavy. All right, you guys ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Mind you, I'm strong. Ugh, slow that dish. It is slippery. One day it'll come out. Let's turn it upside down. We got egg crate paper, boys. Egg crates, and take that off. Take that off. I like the fact that they made the packaging minimalistic, dude. So like I can just close it back up. Yo, and here we go. Let you guys get the first peek. PS5 digital edition. Take the blanket off of it. Get her undressed and naked. Oh, she's okay. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so there's power. So let's see, power button. This is digital, so there's no eject button. Super speed. Freaking Type-C, and then there's a male port on the back. Make sure there's no barcodes or anything like that showing. You guys see two USB 3.1, I think, Ethernet cable, HDMI, and the power source. Power bricks inside. Yeah, man, no optical port, but it's all good. Had to smell it, yo. It smells like next gen. Look how big this thing is. You know what I mean? Like comparison, like look at this. Like my head. Wait a minute, hold up, yo. Future Mike here, cutting into this video. So you guys know about this bag already, right? Digital, you know what I'm saying? Yo, but real quick, there's a disc version here too. Yo, so just for comparisons, real quick. They're both thick as hell. I'm a thick boy. But yeah, man, look. That's disc and that's digital. I mean, just wanted you guys to see that. Back to the video. Alright, so there's something I wanted to try. Want to see if we can take the handle off. Or we're gonna break it. Oh, it does pop off. I see where it pops off. We're not gonna do that because that's petty. You know what I mean? And plus, you know, yo, but here it is. Yo, PS5 digital edition. Yo, but that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. This thick boy says to follow my second channel, Mode Plays, which is gonna pop. Ew, it just went blurry right there too. Wow, the light reflected made it blurry, which I'm saying. Anyway, the channel tag will pop right now. I'm saying make sure you subscribe. Let me know, did you guys get the bag? Did you guys get digital or physical? And yeah, man. Yo, good luck. Happy gaming. Happy PS5 day. Your boy MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.